Hi and welcome back. In this lesson we will see how to install the Real 8 image. So first of all we must download the image. So we could download one of two images. Number one, we could download the Real image, the Red Hat Enterprise Linux server. It's free for downloading and usage. And number two, we could use the CentOS 8 and it could be installed from CentOS. So we will start with the Real 8. So you write Real down. So it will take us to Red Hat official site. So from a Red Hat official site, we will download the Intel ISO image if you had an Intel processor. So you must have an account. If you hadn't an account, you could go to create another. Write my credential. I will write my password and we could to download the real ISO image. The real ISO image. Okay, so if you want to download the CentOS image, CentOS 8 ISO download from CentOS organization site, I will just install the Linux DVD, or you could do it via the torrent if you want. Here is the image. After installing the image, it will be like this on the download location. Here is the image. Redhat 8.0, the beta one. You could install also 8.1. It's available also. Let's start installing the Red Hat Enterprise Linux server. We will have the we'll go to File, New Virtual Machine, typical. We will go for installing later, because if we give him the installation disk, it will install the minimal installation. We want the server with GUI installation because it's pre-installing a lot of packages that use Linux. We'll use the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, the basic configuration, RHCSA, 20 gig is fair enough, and about the RAM, 1 gig is fair. So I would put it recommended to put it for gig for easier installation and smooth process. So after that, I will power on the machine and starting the installation. So it's taking um, the DHCP to try to install it from the network. I don't want to install it from the network. So I put escape. No operating system found. That means the DVD is not connected well. Yeah, didn't connect the DVD. Right now we will connect the DVD of the installation. I will go to the C100 Hat Enterprise, and after that we will just reboot again and install. Try to turn on full screen. So it's starting loading the services of installation, and now it's checking the DVD. I know it's the DVD. It's the ISO image. It's very well one, so I will escape accelerating the process of installation. Okay, so we will choose the language we want to proceed using the installation process. So we will use the English. It's telling me that the pre-released software is intended for development and tested purpose. So the ISO image that installed is a beta version. So I want to proceed, no problem. I will not use it for the production environment. The production environment will use the one that had tested and stable. So here the keyboard, the language, the time and date. You could use the time and date that you want based on the map. Example maybe here Baghdad or Riyadh here. Saudi Arabia. It's done. And the installation software I will use it workstation. That means server with GUI. So done. Why I use server with GUI? Because it's pre-installed a lot of packages that we need through uh, the configuration of the system. The installation destination, I will just install it on the hard disk. That's an NVMe hard disk. We could make it custom for the configuration, but for now, for the lecture number 0, so we want just to automatic partitioning of the hard disk. So I click done. Okay, done. After that, I will leave everything as is and begin the installation. I will put here the root password. You know the root password is the super user of the Red Hat system. It's like administrator in Windows. So I put the password here and we will create a user password. So I click done twice and I will leave it until finishing the downloading the packages and so on. So when it's complete the installation, the status will be written there and I will reboot the device. And I will choose the first choice in the normal boot. The second choice was for rescue mode, is for emergency. So after that, the graphical user interface will appear and we will log in using the student account. We have I have write the password 123. So we'll accept the license here of installation. Finish the configuration, and as you see here, the user student. I will click it. The password. So we will log in to the system. So here, all right, terminal. And our terminal will appear there. And first of all, I will just print out the version of the operating system slash etc slash release, Red Hat release. So it's Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.0